What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a freaking fire 1-minute scalping strategy that works every single morning at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time at New York Open. Stick around, watch the whole video. This strategy is going to blow your mind. What's up, guys? It's Kit Trades with Trading with Trends, and today I'm going to show you guys a super simple, quick strategy that you can deploy once a day on the US100 at exactly 9:30. Let me reset my chart here for you. Remove all drawings. So this is going to take place on the 1 minute, all right? And so basically this strategy takes advantage of riding the liquidity surge of 9:30 and basically trying to determine the breakout trend and bet in that direction. So on my screen is today, and we don't actually need any of these indicators for this strategy, all right? So this is today, January 5th. And I'll go ahead and mark up 9 and 9:30. Okay, so here's 9, here's 9:30 or whatever. And then the next thing I'll do is I'll mark the tops and the bottoms of 9 to 9:30 to try to understand, where that price is moving. All right. So I just like to do the bodies. So here we go. It's a little intense. So now that I have this boxed up, 9:30, what I'm looking to do is trade the first breakout out of this box, all right? So the first candle that closes outside of this box, I'll be looking to trade. So let's go ahead and let's do a rewind to about right here, all right? So this is where we would be if you're going live. And let's see, so look, boom, okay. So we're still, right now this is 9:25, so we're still within 9 to 9:30, so we're not trading yet. We're waiting for that market open. You can see it touches its lowest low of 9 to 9:30. It's going to start to break out, and then as soon as 9 o'clock comes here, got to pause, we have a massive breakout, okay? So this candle broke through our 9 to 9:30 support, and so we would take a short in this position right at the end of that candle. And with this strategy, I like to go for I like to try to get at least 1.5. But what I like to do is I like to set it at the top of this candle here. But in this situation, that's a really big candle. So maybe I would set it more just like right here. All right. Because we're not really looking for it to take a retrace. And then from here, I would go about 1 to 3. So let me re-clarify the strategy here, okay? So you're waiting for a breakout outside of this box, which generally will occur exactly at 9:30 or 9:31 or 9:32, okay? As soon as it breaks out at the end of the first candle that breaks the box, you want to enter your trade. You want your stop loss to be, you could do swing 1, which would be like right above all of these, but the problem is often when it reverses, it shoots right back up the other direction. So it's kind of good just to hope that it doesn't reverse at all, and just, maybe set your stop loss. You can see I'm setting it right here where it's just above this kind of point of decision. Once I set that stop loss here, I mean, ideally you're going to want to set a trailing stop, but like I would start with just a 1 to 2. And then I would probably start trailing, take half my profits around 1. And then, so anyway, let's just go ahead and see how it plays out. So you'll see, boom, immediately we would have hit take profit there. At this point, we would have started trailing right here. So we would at this point just be trailing this down. And you can see it kind of bounces up, scares some people, boom, and then we have a massive downtrend here. And again, this is where you would just be trailing, boom, boom. I mean, so this total play here, boom. All right, at this point, it's been about 13 minutes. So really, we're scalping. We're probably not in much longer. But if you were to catch this move here all the way, whatever, it's 4, almost 5 to 1 risk reward, and it looks like you're catching about 60 points. So it's a pretty good move. Now let's back it up another day. Here's 9. Basically every single day between 9 and 9:30, price consolidates. That would be there. That would essentially be there. You can see, let's replay it. So here we go. This is 2 days ago, and we can press the play button and you'll see So we have our bottom line set. At this point, I would probably have this line here, but then as soon as that happened, obviously I would move it here, and then boom, giant candle, boom, huge move. All right. So we've entered, pause it real quick. At this point, we would have entered here. Obviously, we have the same kind of situation here. I probably would have set it at the top of this candle, or right in this range. And then from there, I would go target at 2, and then obviously trail my stop losses out. And you can see you would have immediately hit that here. And even if you got in a little late, you would have hit that there. And then immediately after you hit that, look, it's going to break up. So you would have been good to go, win that trade. And then it breaks up. It's retesting now. Getting big wicks. And then now it's breaking up here. This candle closes. So if you wanted to, break up here, and then gives you a retest, and then obviously shoots back down. And if you wanted to, you could enter another one of these trades as soon as it broke the line again right here. And obviously your stop loss on this, you could maybe go to this candle here, and then you want to take this to a 2. Let's see how that works out for you. Boom, there you go. That was 2 wins right there off 930, and then we can back it up. Let's go one more day back. Here, let's horizontal 930, boom, horizontal 9, boom. Let's go ahead, take this tool, pink, boom, and boom. Okay, so you can see here that we had a breakout, negative breakout first here. So this broke, so you would have shorted and lost here. You would have had this stop loss probably set to here and went for 2. You can see then it breaks out here. Now I don't like to trade, if it broke out down, I'm not going to go also chase it up, because then it just gets crazy. But look, it breaks down, it retests, comes up, and breaks down again. So then you could go with this trade. You would get in here, and you would be able to win this, and you could probably ride this stop loss down quite dramatically if you had a trailing stop. But you see, so it breaks out down, you get rejected, it goes up. You don't necessarily chase it up, because you don't want to just be chasing it around. You know, basically this is a retest. It already broke out down for just a split second. You can see the wick pulled, came up, and then this time when it broke down, it was pretty serious. And I don't know, I don't think trading was open Monday, but let's see. Yeah, so yeah, basically that would be that strategy every day this week. So essentially today you would have had, or this day, so just to confirm, on Tuesday you would have had one loss and 1 win, and that could have been a really big win, but that's plus 1R total. Here you would have had 2 wins, so that would have been plus 3 plus 5R. And then obviously this week, or yesterday, you would have got 1, and you could have trailed that pretty big, but that would have been like 6R. So it's a pretty good strategy all around. Obviously, you need to be careful. Don't necessarily chase it when it breaks up, and try to get that trailing stop down, because you know the strategy might only work every 3 to 4 times. So you want to make sure you're definitely getting your buck there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe, join the Discord. I have a free Discord, join that, check it out, and awesome. Thank you.